I have a really unique ability to see how healthcare's landscape is growing and changing and evolving, and what kind of climates our nursing students are going to graduate into. My name is Erica Martinez. I am the Executive Director of Nursing for Westcliff University's new College of Nursing in Corona, California. My background is in both direct patient care as well as campus leadership. I've been a nurse for over 20 years. I worked as a frontline nurse during COVID. I have been able to work as a rapid response nurse for a local community hospital while I'm serving as the executive director of the campus. I picked Westcliff University because of the underlying mission of educate, inspire, empower, because there's a philosophy outside of nursing related to practical hands-on education. And that's exactly what nursing is about, is being able to practice at a bedside. And that's really rewarding for me, is to really get to see all of the changes that could have a ripple effect by Westcliff students graduating and going out into the marketplace. I wanted to be able to serve the community, my patients, and even in many ways when I'm serving as the executive director of the campus, it's because I want to serve the students who will be able to serve those patients and back to their community. And I want to make sure that you have all of the tools you can possibly have to be successful. All of the different journeys that I've taken, whether it's working in a hospital, working in a college, being able to teach, doing different kind of community roles, that's all because I took that first step to become a registered nurse. And that is the best decision by far that I have ever made.